It's time for the breakdown. Coming live right now.
Hi, this is Jeanie Buss of the world champion Los Angeles Lakers. You're listening to the Breakdown with Dave and Audley.
Breakdown.
In 2009, we first had the incredible pleasure of having this lovely woman on our show. Now she's back for the sequel, Executive VP of Business Operations, Jeanie Buss. Jeanie, thank you for joining us again.
It's a pleasure.
Yeah, fantastic.
Thanks for being here.
Thank you. You know, life in the Laker world continues to go on, and there's been some really good ups and a few not so good downs, and that's kind of why I wrote the book, because when you look back at a season and you're in the middle of it and things don't look like they're going the way you want them to, it's kind of nice to have that perspective. So I believe that a huge part of the success is because of Dr. Buss and his passion for the game and his love of winning and putting on an entertaining show for the fans.
Justin Bieber and Phil's ring. What happened there? I mean,
Well,
you wanted to take it or something? What's going on, Justin?
Well, what happened was, you know, we gave out the rings. I was on the court, and now the game's got to start. And Phil turns to me and he says, "Well, will you hold my ring? Because I don't want to wear it during the game." And so I just grabbed it, and I was holding it and I said, "Justin, would you like to try on Phil's ring?" And he whipped around and he put that ring on, and he ended up wearing it the whole first half. And I thought to myself, "Oh, how am I going to get it back?"
That's hilarious. Justin, I can see the security looking for Justin Bieber to get that ring back. Oh, man.
Well, you know, Jeanie, Audley's rocking the Bieber do nowadays. So
oh,
it's
really?
Very nice.
You got Bieber hair? Very nice.
Well, you know, every so often I pull it out just to, show my versatility, Every so often.